I came in to Florida Health Experience November 2019 with an undiagnosed PTSD. I was 5 years sober and I realized I had a lot more to work on, and emotional sobriety was one of the issues that I had. I learned to deal with working on myself and not focus on others or help others as much as I was doing. I was doing too much. I learned about codependency and coping skills. Mental illness and having PTSD is a very hard struggle. Today I have a service dog named both, and I continue to work on my recovery. I've learned that I build relationships, trust the people, and that is what Florida Health Alumni knows how to set healthy boundaries. And I want to thank Florida Health Experience from the bottom of my heart that has taught me so much to learn how to take care of Tyler. Thank you.